we're comparing two popular presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. They are both help you create slideshows, but they have some key difference. So let's get started.
Feature comparison, and we have basic features. Both apps let you add slides, insert text, images, shapes, and charts, and the format content. They offer transitions and animation for visual effects. And next is collaboration. Google Slides is all about real-time collaboration. You can work on presentation with others simultaneously, making it great job for team projects. And while PowerPoint has online version for collaboration, Google Slides is much smoother for this. And next is design and templates. PowerPoint has a wider range of design features including custom themes and slide masters. Google Slide is simpler, but it has a good selection for pre-made themes and templates. And next, presentation mode. Both applications have a presentation modes to deliver slideshows, and they offer speaker notes for your reference. And ultimately, the best tool for you is depends on your needs. If you prioritize collaboration and ease of use, Google Slide is a great choice. But if you need more advanced design control and have access to a Microsoft Office subscription, PowerPoint offers a wider range of features. And what you think and which slideshow champ reigns supreme? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Audio Jungle.